Grabbed her and she ran away. Mom.
She's just rubbing all over.
She'll come down. She's just got spring fever. Where's she
Look at it. I told. See, look here. You'll see it on the roof.
Move, honey.
You'll see it on the peak.
Mom.
What?
She was right here. Right here. I was like, come here. She ran
She's
away.
just got spring fever. How much is in here? Ooh. Wow. Thank you. Going on down by Tuesday.
Can't go up there.
Okay, Paul, with the camera, please.
Big.
Let me go up that.
No, I am.
No, not up on our roof. There's no reason to be up on our roof.
Well, alright, I'm starting to get cold.
Yeah, let me see. I want to take a picture of you.
Oh, no.
Come here.
Yeah.
Here.
She's going up the steep.
I can't go up there.
You can't climb up
Oh,
that.
you're not going to be able to see her against the sun.
Yeah, yeah.
And she's down. She's going to jump.
Dad, catch her.
Paul, come on down. Don't.
Cold?
Yeah.
Hold it steady.
Oh, Eric, go in the attic and then surprise her.
Yeah, right.
I'll take it. Did you get any,
I'm
Mom?
videoing.
Yeah. There's enough. Someone's got spring fever. Do not hang from that branch. This tree would.